Today, we will be doing a brief overview of the various configuration tools and support utilities that are available with the Adroit SCADA software and the reason for their existence. Having created the Bin 1 level agent, we can now scan the raw value to a configured device or PLC address. For demonstration purposes, we have created an OPC device called Batching, and this is connected to our Batch OPC simulation server. All configured devices will be shown in the list, and as you can see, we have quite a whole lot of PLCs and devices defined. I'm going to select the batching device, and we will now choose which address in the batching PLC we want to scan this to. By clicking on Search, I can find a list of OPC items and select the Bin 1 level from within the list. After selecting, we can close this window, and you can see bin level as the address for the tag. We will scan it at 1000 milliseconds. This will simply read a value. However, if this was something you wished to write to, then all you would need to do would be to unscan the tag, select the Output Enabled option, and rescan it. We are not going to worry about that right now, and are going to leave it as read-only. What we have shown is single agent adding and configuration. It is possible to export from the Adroit configurator and then create many tags with scanning and simply import again. Or users can use the Excel add-in tool to perform bulk engineering for larger projects. To get the device to start scanning, we need to start the device. This is done by clicking on the radio button at the top. Devices can be started and stopped whenever necessary. By way of another example, we are going to add a new analog tag and call it batch wait. After adding, we will scan it to the batching OPC simulator using the batching device. As before, we select the batching device and will scan the raw value slot to the OPC item called batch wait. We can simply add it to the scanned items list by clicking on the scan button, and because the device is already started, the agent is now live. It's important to note that if you know the address, you can simply type it in the address text box. If we look at the batch wait analog now, and we keep clicking refresh, you can see the value changing as the value in the simulator changes. The next video in this series covers how to set up alarming in the agent configurator.